So it's August 24th and I have, I'm not gonna pronounce that, came from Bill, and it's a pretty looking tree, small fruit, and I just tasted it right here. It's almost like White Marsailles, Italian honey, except even smaller fruit. It has less, it's less seedy, but if the leaves weren't this different, I would say this was a White Marsailles, but the leaves are different. So we'll see how it does next year, but it is a honey. I like it, but I just don't like too much of a similar type of fig. So in the end, the honey will be competing each other for the best one, and we'll see what I'll keep. But very similar to White Marsailles and stuff.